Hello! We are now in the fourth day of our trip. This is our view of the river this morning. Then we headed to a hotel restaurant for breakfast. Here, we enjoyed the dragon fruit smoothie along with eggs, bacon, Thai sausage, squash, and noodles. We also had a muffin, a croissant, and some pudding. We also had a Thai lemon iced tea. I went a few steps closer, and the view of the river is so beautiful. The sunlight on the water and the surroundings make it really peaceful. This is the far left side of the restaurant where you can take some nice photos. They even have swings here, and they make a great photo spot. This is the name of the restaurant. We are now in one section of the lobby, and it looks really nice. It's now 1 p.m., and we're heading to ICONSIAM to look for an umbrella and a few other things. This building is ICONSIAM, and we are now getting in. This section mimics a floating market, and it's really fun to look around. We decided to try the black sticky rice pudding with coconut. It's only 50 baht, and it tastes amazing. We also went to this herbal shop to buy some famous inhalers. Next, we checked out the remaining stores on the first floor. We then headed to the second floor. This is the exit on the second floor, where a pathway allows you to cross the road and leads directly to ICS Mall. This is the ICS Mall. This mall is small in size, but it has plenty of food options. We then headed to the first floor. The first floor has some clothing stalls and a number of food stalls, all offering affordable prices. This is what it looks like outside the mall. We decided to buy some fried chive cakes. This is where we bought some affordable Thai iced tea. The price is between 50 and 65 baht. I got the Thai lemon iced tea for 50 baht, and here's the rose iced tea for 65 baht. Now we're heading back to ICONSIAM. We didn't find an umbrella, but we were able to buy a couple of pants and a couple of scarves. Now we are at the entrance of the hotel. We then went to the pool area on the fourth floor. And this is where we stayed while taking in the stunning river view. This was around 3 p.m. So right now, we're just lounging on a pool bed, and the view here is absolutely stunning. The river is so peaceful, and you can see all these boats and ships slowly passing by. Across the water, the city skyline is amazing. Tall buildings, the lights, everything just looks so beautiful. Honestly, it's the perfect spot to relax and just take in the scenery. I could literally sit here for hours just watching everything go by. This tall building is the Mandarin Oriental Hotel. The hotel surprised us with these stunning flowers. It was already evening, so we went back to Iconseum to get some dinner. In case you missed my earlier video, here's what the walk from our hotel to Iconseum looks like after dark. We ordered two more desserts from the vendor earlier. One is bananas in sweet coconut milk, and the other is sweet rice boiled in coconut milk. We also ordered a salmon set meal from a Japanese restaurant. And of course, I bought my favorite dumplings again. The desserts from earlier are only 50 baht each. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.